Welcome to Zenith, where learning matters. Negation in French. Bonjour. In this video, we'll learn how to make negative sentences in French and other negative expressions. In French, negation is formed by using two words, ne and pas. To form a negative sentence, ne is placed before the verb and pas after the verb. Example:
Je suis indienne. Je ne suis pas indienne.
here, suis is the verb, so ne is placed before suis and pas is placed after suis. If the verb starts with a vowel a, e, I, o, u, or h, then instead of ne, one should use an apostrophe. Example:
J'habite à Paris. Je n'habite pas à Paris.
here, habite is a verb, so an apostrophe is placed before the verb and pas is after the verb. Formation of negative sentence.
Sujet plus ne ou un apostrophe plus verbe plus pas plus objet.
Here are some exercises to practice. For answers, refer to the description section below. There are some other expressions which are also negative. In these sentences, instead of pas, one should use the following expressions:
Quelque chose,
something,
ne rien,
nothing,
toujours,
always,
ne jamais,
never,
quelqu'un,
somebody,
ne personne,
nobody,
encore,
still,
ne plus,
no more,
quelque part,
somewhere,
ne nulle part,
nowhere,
soit ou,
either or,
ne ni,
neither nor,
ne que.
only. Example:
Je bois toujours du café avec du sucre. Je ne bois jamais de café avec du sucre.
here, toujours is affirmative, which means always, and it is replaced by negative expression jamais, which means never. Here are some exercises to practice. For answers, refer to the description section below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow us.